Hey guys, Malik is here and welcome to another Davinci Resolve tutorial. In this video I'm happy to introduce the YouTube template for Davinci Resolve. You can find the link in the description below. After you download the files, just extract the .zip file and you have these three files. Double click on the YouTube template and a pop-up will appear on site Davinci. Click on install instead of overwrite and that's it. If you go to the titles here and click, you have this folder LMK and simply drag and drop the template like this. If you press the play button, this is what we have. From here you can change your channel name, your image and the colors here. Go to the channel, you can type your channel name. You can change the size. You can edit this subtext. Maybe type the number of your subscribers. You can change the color of the text. And if you go to the background, you can enable or disable the background. You can change the color of the background. And finally, in the animation, we have this little hand. You can enable or disable the cursor. After that, we have three presets. We have the full version, we have the vertical version, and we have the minimal version, which only the like, subscribe, and bell button appear. And this is it. If you want to change your photo here, simply go to the image, click on browse, select the image that you want, and click open, and that's it. The only thing that you need is to make sure that your image is 500 by 500 pixels, and that's it. If you have a Photoshop, you can simply go to the assets folder in your .zip file and open the image.psd. You can add your image and edit it in Photoshop and then save it and import it inside of Davinci Resolve. You can find a template here to edit, so simply drag your image, change the size, and then go to file, save as, and save it as a JPEG or PNG and import it inside of Davinci Resolve. You find also two sound effects, a mouse click and the bell sound. You can use them and synchronize them with the clicks like this. And maybe decrease the sound, and this is it. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe and I will see you in the next one.